Hello student, class 2nd, subject EVS, lesson number 4, water. Now we have to see the exercises here. Let's discuss first question, A, oral questions. From that one, how can we purify water at home? Think about this, how we can purify water at home. Yes, when I have taught that time I have told you. Now here is the answer. We can purify water by boiling or using water filters. This is the answer of this question. We can purify water by boiling or using water filters. Okay. Next, that is B. Quiz first. Why is tap water unsafe for drinking? Think about that. Why it is unsafe for the drinking? Okay, now here is the answer. It may contain germs that can make us sick. That's why tap water unsafe for drinking. This is the answer, student, that water can contains the germs, and germs, we know that germs make us sick. That's why it is dirty. So it is need to make this water purify and then we have to drink. It is a unsafe water. You should write this answer in your notebook. Question 2. Name any 3 sources of water. Answer: 1. Lakes, 2nd, rivers, and 3rd, ponds. You should write this answer in your notebook. I hope you have understand which sources of water is there. Very good. Write in the notebook. Now, next question is there. See, take the correct answers. First, we get underground water from ... A. Rivers, B. Oceans, and C. Wells. As we know that rivers having the surface water, oceans also having the surface water, and wells having the underground water. So, answer is wells. Second, ... water kills germs. Which water kills germ? A. Boiling, B. Cooling, C. Standing. Yes, correct answer is boiling water kills germ. Boiling water kills germ. This is the correct answer. Write in the notebook. Okay, we will take the second one after this. Third, look at the pictures and take the picture that shows wastage of water. A. While brushing, it keeps the tap running as it is. Means it is the wastage of water. Tick there. B. Also, instead of using bucket of water, he is using that shower. Means it is again wastage of water. Tick there also. And C. Which is remaining water has given for the plant. Means it is the use of water. Correct. Next question is that D. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. Here are the given words: water treatment, mountains, germs, underground. These words you have to use in the given blanks. Let's see which are the filling the blanks. Here will be your first sentence, that is, sometimes water from taps may contain ... What do you think? What will be the answer? Yes, it is the germs. Sometimes water from the taps may contain germs, student. It contains germs. Second, we get water from the tube wells. What do you understand, or what will be the answer? Yes, it is underground. We get underground water from the tube wells. This is the answer of this question. Now, third one, water is purified in plants. Yes, I know that you know very well answer. That is water treatment. Water is purified in the water treatment plants. This is the answer of this question. Next, that is the 4. The upper part of the are covered with snow. Think about that. Which part means which is the part that has covered with the snow? Upper part? Yes, mountains. The upper parts of the mountains are covered with the snow. Here, the question is over. Now, E. Answer the following questions. Was write 2 ways by which we can save the water. Yes, I know that you know very well which ways are there. Here will be your answer. That is, there are many ways. 1. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. 2nd, turn off the tap properly to avoid leakages. Students, there are the many ways. I have written only 2. Instead of that, you can write collect the rainwater and use it for the washing or watering the plants. Use a bucket of water to take a bath. Using shower is fun, but it is the wastage of water. Do not throw the leftover water of your bottle. Use it to water the plant. From that, you have to write only 2 ways that by that we can save the water. Now you have to second question. Write 2 ways by which water gets dirty. We know that many human activities are there makes the water dirty. From that, here first, dirty water from gutter makes water dirty. Second, garbage is thrown in the water bodies. This is also makes the water dirty. Even industrial waste we are throwing in the freshwater bodies, washing the clothes, washing the animals utensils in the river banks. These all things makes the water dirty. We should avoid these things. You have to write in the notebook. Third, how can we get pure drinking water? There are also many ways. Okay, from that you should mention some. That is answer, we get pure drinking water with the help of electric water filters as well as by using the purifier and by boiling it. This is the answer of this question. You should write in your own sentences also how you are doing these things at your home, that you have to write by your own. Up to this, all the exercise I have discussed with you. You should write in your notebook with the good handwriting. Write down exercises in the notebook. Bye bye. Take care.